What's happening, YouTube? This is your boy D-Toss Everything back with another video. Yeah. Anyway, man, today I'm gonna be doing some charting with you guys. I like to swing trade, trying to learn how to day trade, getting okay with it. Excuse me. But ain't perfected it yet. I definitely have not perfected it yet. In a group with my guy Cyberman. Check out his video, Cyberman with 2N76. Yeah, I'm teaching you some game. I'm not gonna give out none of his secrets. I'm gonna show you stuff that I knew prior to meeting him, how I was charting, because I was pretty good at swing trading. A lot of times I get out of my position too early, because they'll do something silly, and I'd be like, nah, I'm out of this, and whatever. But so, man, today, man, I was in. I got Microsoft up right now. This is my trading view. Man, I was in a Microsoft call. I'm still in the Microsoft call, right? So I'm in the 2:55 Microsoft call for next Friday, February the 3rd. So as you can see, I put some boxes on the screen. So these boxes are where I found gaps where, you know, the stock market may have a price could have shifted. Just like gap down, just for no reason at all. Could be earnings, could be some overnight news or whatever the case is, and there's no candlestick and the price is just here, and then all of a sudden it's down here, or if it's up here, whatever the case may be. So so I did this charting about a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so what I did was, and I was back here. So I was looking at Microsoft. I saw, oh man, I found this gap up here. This is the 4-hour chart. I'm calling this a gap, even though it's not really a gap. But if you take a look at this candlestick right here, this one right here, this happened during pre-market. So here's the day before. It closed. All right, then. I'm glad you saw the doctor. All right, so you see it close right here. Then the next day, so here's after hours, and then here is then the like pre-market right here. Let me zoom in some more. I apologize. So here's the market day. Here's like the after hours stuff. So, and then as you can see, this is all non-market time that all this happened. So I took this as a gap because we couldn't trade in this part. We couldn't buy, we couldn't sell. So I took this as a gap. So then you see it open here the next day, and this is the movement we got. And then again the next day, after hours. Then here's pre-market, and then the next day here. Oh, let me move this. That's my volume. So, and then the next day is here. So I saw this, so I put this box here like, okay, well, if it gets to a certain level, we might be in business. I was betting on whatever Netflix did. Not to say Netflix run the market, but I was thinking, well, Netflix is going to then determine kind of if we're going to go be in a more call series, like, okay, the market's going to go up, or we're going to be where they're screaming this recession, these stocks are going to start falling. So I'm thinking that's what. Son, can you please turn down your phone? Jason, can you turn down the phone, please? Thank you. I appreciate you. Anyway, so you see this happen. This is back here on December the 14th. So then we got the same thing right here. So I put another box. I just extended out extra further back. We got the same thing happen right here on January the 3rd. So I got these two boxes for these two gaps. So I go down here. I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, I put this down here with this rail. And I'm like, hey, this is possible danger zone. Now, I also got this green one here because this was like some major liquidity. Let's change to the day for a moment. son, please stop smacking your feet. So, as you can see, way back here in November, here was a low. So there was possibility at any point in time for it to fall back to this low. And then you kind of see right here, we got some like support right here. So I put this line right here, and I do need to go ahead and extend it out now that we're talking too. But yeah, so I'm thinking, okay, so this line right here told me like, hey, this is gonna tell me if it breaks above this line. I was thinking, okay, we gonna be looking for some type of call action. So I gave it a couple of days, and when it came back here, it was Thursday of last week, I said, okay, it's time to start looking at it because it didn't break back down here. So I was like, okay, so we got us some support based off of this candlestick right here. So I'm like, okay, so we found support. So we're getting ready to go up. We are getting ready to go up. Bad. So today, around 2 o'clock this afternoon, today is January the 24th. And this morning we had that nonsense with the market halt, with those option prices just spiking for no apparent reason, up or down. I understood why Microsoft was spiked. They reported earnings. So I understood the spike that was coming. Now, again, I'm giving a shout out to my guy Silas, man. He taught me about liquidity. I found me something on TradingView that gives me some liquidity kind of hot spots. So I was like, bet. Today, it was running at this, that line is inaccurate. That's not really where it's at. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 30 hour. Now, right here, this is where the price is at right now. Saying it's at 240. Now, I was like, I got in, so here it is. That's 1 o'clock, so I get in this position like right here. What's the price right here? Let's say the price is 242. I get in. I get in for the 255 call. I'm like, man, I'm getting ready to get paid in the morning. You understand me? The delta was 23. I can't remember what the gamble was, but that was okay. And I'm like, oh, this getting ready to almost put your boy in the money. Because I said, oh, we got this gap up here. I'm like, man, we might go up here to in the 255. That might put me in the money. In the money. I'm like, oh, your boy about to get paid. So, in my group with my Discord fam, man, do you understand? I was sitting in the library with one of my sons, waiting on one to get out of therapy, and it was like market closed at 4, and I was like, man, I had just told him, like, man, this thing about to run. 401, it shot up into my gap. I'm like, ooh, your boy got to get paid. I even typed in the chat. Ooh, I'm rubbing my hands together. Ooh, because I literally was rubbing my hands together. And then I saw this next candlestick. And then I saw this next one. And I was like, ooh, wee. And I said, man, I talked to y'all in the morning. Ooh, wee, I'm feeling good. Time for me to leave the library, go get my son. Everything good. I came home. I done cooked dinner. I done watched a couple YouTube videos. I done took the trash out. And I'm like, all right, you know what? Let me bust open the app. Let me see where Microsoft is at right now. Man, I looked at it. It was under. It closed under where it opened today. It fell off a cliff. It fell back off a cliff. I don't know if that's a cliff. For me, it was a cliff. I'm like, what the flying flip? This is some bull. This is some bull. Now, in the morning, I don't have a contract that expired this Friday. If it expired this Friday, I don't know what I would do. To be honest with you, I still don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Man, I'm going to try to post this tonight. If somebody see it, leave a comment below. If you got a YouTube and you got some opinions and you watch videos, and post videos, post yours, tag me, tell me to watch it, bro. sis, fam. This is your boy. No. Nah. I'm gonna give another person a shout out. I'm watching Keenan Grace. I was just watching his video, right? Now I had just saw the price fall off the cliff. I'm part of Keenan's Discord as well. So get the message. Keenan dropped the video. Let me go check out my bro, see what he talking about. Let me see what my bro's talking about. Man, he got his video. Look at Microsoft, fan. He got it like right. I'm not sure if he had all 3 candlesticks, but he at least had these 2. So he had did a snapshot, like boom, like here's Microsoft. Boom, he even talked about the BS this morning about the stock market thing, the halt with McDonald's and Walmart and stuff like that. So I ain't gonna give no more about his video. Y'all go check out man's video. But I had to leave a comment in his video. Yo, bro, after you shot and posted your video, man, it wasn't 2 minutes later, bro. It fell off the cliff. Like, you posted your video. It said, like, his video was like, when I saw it, I don't know how long ago this was. This was just in the last 2 hours. About to be 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. I just watched bro's video maybe about 15 minutes ago. Maybe 20 minutes ago. Yeah, something like that. I can't think about how long his video was, so add that to that, because I had watched the video, and I'm saying it's been that amount of time, and then, so it's been about half an hour. Yeah, so I found this out like at 8 o'clock. Like 8 o'clock. That this thing fell off the cliff. And I'm like, no telling what time he really like, shot his video. He hadn't shot the video like, it was 4, it's 5, so he hadn't shot the video like 4:50. Bro had to shot the video at like 4:50. He had his clips, he had everything. Bro video was nice. And this thing fell off a cliff after he posted this video. Man, this is nuts, bro. Man, they be with the tomfoolery. But anyway, man, hold on. Let's get to some chart. Man, what we want to look at? Let's look at QQQ just for a moment. Man, nuts. Ooh. QQQ fell off a cliff too. Hold on, man. This thing in the way. Hold on, man. Let me go to Apple. I'm in an Apple call too. Apple fell off a cliff too. I don't even want to click on it. It's right over somewhere. I can't. This thing in the way. I can't even move it. Maybe I can move it. You know what I mean? I was trying. Okay, there we go. Apple right there. Apple fell off a cliff too. I'm on the 1 minute. Hold on. Now let's go to let's check out the 15-minute chart. So Apple was going too. Apple was pushing for you, boy. You boy in the Apple call too. Yes, how can I help you? Can I turn what on? Blue is about to come back on. It's taking a long time, isn't it? I don't know what's going on, Blue. Is this? There you go, Blue. Alright, wait a minute, fam. There you go. So anyway, yeah, but Apple fell off a cliff too, man. So here's close, just like Microsoft. It ran up and then fell off a cliff. Now, I think I got a gap. Hold on, let me back out to the 4-hour chart. I believe I got some stuff from Microsoft and then Apple too already drawn out. So same thing with Apple, man. So let me show y'all this. And this is not financial advice by any means. This is me just taking y'all on my journey, all right? So don't be talking about this financial advice. I ain't told you nothing. I ain't told you nothing. I'm telling you to be entertained. That's all I told you. Be entertained. Anyway, I'm on 3 hours. So I put these level lines on for Apple. Let's go back further so why it'll make sense. Don't make sense there. Let's go to 3 days for a moment. 3 day. Wow. So now I told y'all on another video, it looks like they just take off the stock market. They just throw them out. But anyway, they injected all that money in the market for COVID, and then they chopped off the mountaintop. So let me show you Apple, because Apple is a good example of this as well. Let me hide my drawings just for a moment. Let's make this big on this. So if you go back to Apple, may not be a very good example, because Apple, people love Apple. But if you look right here, most companies again going like 10-15% in a year. Apple's banging, so Apple might go up 15, 20, 25, 30. But if you look at this like mountain that ran up here, they just in essence where Apple probably would have been had there been no COVID. They just went and took all of this mountaintop off, like all of this they just took off the top. And now the price is probably well. Give that a minute, okay? And then we can make a pass, okay? Thank you for being patient. But that's what I think. So, but let me re-add my drawings back. So, as you can see, like I just kind of found like multiple point lines. So same thing here, here, here. Now you see again, it hit here. This is just recent. So I got this one right here because it touched here for resistance, ran through here, got some stopping points. Here, stopping point. So, and then you see that candlestick right there kind of just hit against that line. What day that was? That was on Tuesday the 17th. So, so I got this one right here. Because you can see these candlesticks and then these right here and these right here. So I was like, bet. I got an Apple thinking like, okay, there's nothing. Hey, Jason, Jason, please turn the phone down. Turn the phone down, please. Thank you. But anyway, I said, man, ain't nothing stopping it from going up. I saw this. I was like, okay, as soon as it crossed this line right here, I got in a little bit before it. I was gambling a little bit. But I got in, I was like, oh, we about to get paid. And it just fell off the cliff. It just fell off the cliff. No, oh, let me make it 30 seconds. Yes. All right, what we want to chart? We ain't looked at DraftKings in a while. I'm going to chart some DraftKings with y'all playing real quick. And then from there, I'm going to get up out of here. So, little man, we're going to go and build a castle. We gotta do so. We're gonna go with the 1 day first. So make sure we got us a good trend. You know what we're looking at. Close that out. Oh, I already had something here. I don't know how long ago this was. Let's see what this say. So I was looking at the January 20th, 23. So the date of 24. This is old data. I must not have did nothing with it. Glad I didn't do nothing with it. I wonder when I typed this in. Oh, I typed this in on the 30th. 4 p.m. Ooh, I would've got smoked. I'd have got smizzled. Thinking it was going to what I was looking at. Oh, that wasn't a bad price. The $11 put. It might have failed some more. That was the 30th. See, it came down some more. So I could have got paid. boy, you'd have held that more than a couple days. Ooh, you got smoked. But anyway. So, let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. We'll trash that because that's old news now. Ooh, you see how it's getting rejected? This is my 200 line. Ooh, boy. It's actually a 216. But get rejected on that. Nope. Oh, it's going through. Now, and it may be going to hit this liquidity zone right here. So let's get us some lines going. Let's go here. I like right here. Ooh, it almost pulled it right on that thing. I like the way this is playing the key. Let me stop, because YouTube is on block videos and stuff. Telling me I'm on the right. You know what? You ain't got to scream. I promise you, I'm gonna do a video about being a dad with a son with autism. Definitely interesting. They dropped that one right there too. That's nice. I like that spot. Now, I'm considering dropping another line right here because you see these little points of resistance right here. Those candlesticks. And then like this one right here is almost, well no, this one right here is like in the same spot closing. And then you got these over here. So I'm really considering dropping a line right here, but that's 13.64. And what is this line? This is $13. I don't know if I want to drop a line for 60 cents, but that could be a pivotal line. But right now, I'm looking at it thinking, okay, if it clears this right here, because it's already breaking this 200, I'm going to call it the 200 line. We're looking at this right here. We're looking at $15.95. We're looking at $15.95 as the first one. We're gonna do another line, but we're gonna make it green. Son, can you please stop? We're gonna make this one green because that's that money right there. Ooh, and they dropped it right on it. No, I like that one there too. But ooh, 17. I like 17 too. But that was my next spot. But if we get past this, let's clone us another one. Let's keep dropping away up there. I don't need it. I need this one right here. I need those. Okay, those. So, I would need to check out some option change, but I will look at it thinking, at this point right now, I didn't really see any gaps that hasn't been filled. And this is going back to September. Like you have a little gap right here, but you got this candlestick. Yes, I don't really see anything. Now, should this so-called recession pop off, no. This is just low. Oh no, it's not. So here's when it opened. Here, there's no data before. So it's like at its low. So probably I was thinking that put possibly, but that's the low right here, $11. So it could fall back down to this 11, because if you look at this trend right here, it's completely going down. It's been totally respecting this 200-day line. Again, that's my 216 though. And it's not an EMA. I do moving averages, but like it's respecting the shit out of it. So I don't know. It may, if it do, as y'all just saw, we're starting to peek through. Let's go and check it out again on the 15 minute, because I wouldn't hold this more than a day. Depending on how far out I get it. Let's go. Let me add some other stuff back on. Hold on. Let's go back like this. Ooh, money pouring in though. So on the 15 minute though, this RSI is high. It's almost at that overbought area. But the money is running in. The MACD done crossed up. This is my 100-day line. 100 days crossed over to 200 on the 15 minute. So that's saying that it's still on the uptrend. This RSI scared me though, bro. You see how last time it was here, RSI's up running high, and it fell down. And what's that? That's right here. Say 1450 just to be nice. And you came down to 1343. That's $1. I mean, that's not too bad over 2 days, but it is what it is. But man, this is your boy, D-Toss Everything. Again, about to be out of here. Gotta go build a castle or something with these Jenga blocks. Peace and love. Have a great rest of your day.